Hi there, it's Ian Luckett from Innovate to Success here. I just want to run through with you an amazing new tool that we've got that we're using in our arsenal to help businesses grow, get back control, improve performance and all of that good stuff. And it's called Engagement Multiplier. And it works across all businesses, whether it's business experts, IT experts, or any other type of business at all, but it's really exciting. And in this short video, I'm just going to run through with you some of the great benefits of this particular product. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you how you can try this out for absolutely free. Now, in the Innovate to Success Drive for Business program, we know that we've got the 5 steps here to business success. The first one's about personal development, all about you. Then it's about your own business development, marketing, and all of that good stuff. People planning is one of the most important things. It's all about making sure we've got the right people. Finance, commercial, making sure we've got the cost, the income, the risks all covered off. And finally, it's all about measurement. And this is the drive for business model, which is your drive, your straightforward business growth strategy. However, today I want to be focusing into people planning. So with regards to people, with regards to engaging your staff, your teams, and everybody out there in your workplace, it's really key that we understand what is going on. Now, for the last 20 years, I've worked in corporate, and sometimes you haven't got a clue what's going out on site. This is such a true saying. To win in the marketplace, you must first win in the workplace. And so many people overlook this. If you look at the most successful businesses out there, they are the most engaged organizations because the people are engaged. The people are engaged in the mission, in the vision, and basically helping the company achieve its goals. Engagement Multiplier is an amazing new platform, and it's basically an employee engagement tool, and it's specifically designed for SME businesses, and it's all about the business. It's kind of unlike ones that I've seen before, which have been about the credibility of the business. This is about business performance. It's an online engagement survey, essentially. You can get it on the mobile, you can get it on the desktop, so everybody in your organization can easily access the survey. It gives you an amazing breakdown of per discipline, per region, per area, whether your people are engaged on the purpose, engaged on the ownership, with the leaders, with other employees, with their clients, or basically individually. It gives you a multiplex of reports and information on really what's going on in your business. This is a couple of the sample reports. So for example, this organization here have been surveyed every couple of months, and they can see their score rising. We can see also the participation rates, which are like none other that I've seen in employee engagement, to be quite honest with you. And the reason for this is because it's simple. It's simple, it's straightforward, and it's accessible. The engagement scores are then broken down into further detail here, and across here is tracking some of the historical information. So where we've got different levels within the organisation, across a different period of time there. Also, we can see at different, as I say, within different levels of the organisation, within different groups, where you need to focus. What are the hotspots on where you need to focus? And then over here, we've got another way of kind of cutting the same sort of data. One of the most amazing things about the Engagement Multiplier is that you can actually ask custom questions because it's about your business. It's not about a standard business and comparing you with everyone else. You can ask them if you're on site. You can ask them about things about going on site. If you're in the office, you can ask them about things that are particularly going on in the office space. You can use an essay style. There's a multiple choice type of questions, or you can do a multiple select. So it's absolutely customizable. And as I say, this is really a rather unique product. One of the best things about Engagement Multiplier is you can actually get a secure follow-up. And what I mean by that is if somebody's put a comment on your survey and they said, for example, I don't think this particular part of the business is very safe, or there's something going wrong, it doesn't really help you out because it doesn't give you much detail. Because it's totally anonymous, you can then go back to that individual. You don't know who they are, but you go back through the system, and then you can ask them for a little bit more information about that particular issue, whether it's a safety issue, whether it's a performance issue. It might be around an individual, but you can securely ask them, can you please elaborate so we can help this situation get a little bit better? And this is really, really effective. You can share it with your employees, so you can share the journey with them. You can let them know how well they're doing, how well the business is going, and how well, more and more engaged employees will help the business success in terms of achieving your goals. But you also get a private dashboard. So your dashboard itself will tell you what the engagement score is of what your team is in terms of where they are in the data. There's also a suggestion box, so people can use a suggestion box if there's anything there that they want to add. And the most important thing here is that 93% achieve an engaged status within less than 1 year. As I said, the engagement completion rates are like nothing I've ever seen before. Everyone gets value from their first report when we run the first report, and over 80% then go on to use it from a paid service. So if you want to find out how to improve your business performance by really knowing what your employees and teams are thinking, and how integrating this into a straightforward business growth strategy can help you take your business to the next level, then let's just get in touch and I can help you get your free company-wide survey right now. Either call me directly on 07879 815 414 or drop me an email at ian@innovate2success.com. Look forward to hearing from you soon.